Ever wondered why that forgotten sandwich in your lunchbox turned into something unrecognizable? Welcome to the fascinating world of food rot. Today we're diving into the science behind why our food goes bad. And trust me, it's more interesting than it sounds. Picture this. You've got a fresh apple sitting on your counter. It looks perfect now, but it's already starting to undergo an amazing transformation. Food rot is essentially a decomposition process where our food breaks down due to tiny organisms and natural chemical reactions. The main troublemakers in this story are bacteria, fungi, and enzymes. Think of them as nature's cleanup crew. Bacteria are microscopic organisms that are everywhere around us. When they find food they like, they multiply rapidly, breaking down the food for energy and leaving behind waste products that cause those unpleasant smells and tastes. Then we have fungi, like the fuzzy mold you might find on bread or cheese. These organisms send out tiny threads through our food, breaking it down and causing those characteristic spots and patches we all recognize. But here's something you might not know. Enzymes, which are naturally present in food, are also part of this process. They're like molecular scissors, cutting up complex molecules into smaller pieces. This is actually the same process that ripens fruits, but if left unchecked, it continues until the food is completely broken down. Environmental factors play a huge role too. Temperature is like a speed dial for rot. Warmer temperatures speed everything up, while cold temperatures slow it down. That's why your refrigerator is such a valuable tool. Moisture is another key player. The more moisture present, the happier those bacteria and fungi are. Oxygen exposure can also accelerate spoilage, which is why vacuum-sealed foods last longer. But it's not all bad news. Understanding how food rot works helps us prevent it. Proper storage techniques, temperature control, and packaging can significantly extend food life. Some methods, like fermentation, actually use these microorganisms in controlled ways to create delicious foods like yogurt, cheese, and pickles. Next time you see food starting to spoil, remember, it's not just rot. It's science in action. By understanding these processes, we can better preserve our food and reduce waste. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the science of food rot. Remember to store your food properly and maybe check that lunch bag more often.